6th International Congress of Nutritionists was held this year in Zagreb. It was organized by Croatian Federation of a Nutritionist Association with our co-organizers, ASPEN, Student Association Probion, and also with Faculty of Food Technology in Osijek. This year, we had over 400 participants. We had invited speakers not only from region but from abroad.
It's my great pleasure to wish you a warm welcome to the 6th International Congress of Nutritionists.
We had many great domestic as well as international lecturers on this subject. One of them was Professor Gordon Lauc.
Every diet is individual, but the prediction of effects of individual diet is something we still need a lot of research. Because to be able to design a diet to achieve outcome which we want to achieve, we need some kind of biomarkers. And the science linking biomarkers and dietary interventions is just in the very beginning. Diet is definitely one of the major factors which contributes to disease development. Genes define maybe 30 or 50% of our predisposition, but what we eat and how we behave decides whether we are going to stay healthy or become ill.
Chocolate may help keep people slim. I mean, I'm sure most of us would love to believe that that's true, but I'm sorry, it's not.
So what is it about the particular person in front of you that you can help them at the individual level rather than just applying broad guidelines and calling it a day?
During the 6th International Congress of Nutritionists, we were enjoying many coffee breaks, many social events such as gala dinner and also Enogastro events.
I will talk about the first consumption survey on infants and young children in Croatia.
We never eat raw potato. We always cook it, bake it, fry.
When we are talking about diets, we cannot have double-blind studies.
These are not only free sugars, but all sugars.
In the real life, you have to maintain your muscle, avoid sarcopenia, maybe with obesity.
Weight loss models where we feed volunteers high-protein diet to help them with managing their overweight.
So the prevalence of obesity in Croatia among children is really extremely high.
This year we had very interesting panel discussion, safety of food and food products. It was a topic about chemical hazards in food, and it took place in our Congress. It was very collaborative and very interactive panel discussion.
Poster section is one very important part of our Congress. It's an opportunity for young investigators to present their work, their research. An author of the best poster wins an award that will give him the opportunity to continue his work.
We are very grateful to all of our supporters, sponsors and donators, without whom this Congress wouldn't be as great as it was this year.
Except learning, we want our participants to have a good time, so every year we organize our traditional gala dinner. We invite everyone to join us at the 7th International Congress of Nutritionists that will be held in Zagreb from 8th to 10th of November next year.